Hey, how's it going? This is Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to make a little tofu dish. So the first thing you want to do is grab your tofu, take it out of the package, give it a nice little wash, cut it into however many slices you want. In this video I decided to make 6 slices because it all fits in the pan nicely. And after that, you're going to want to put a little spray oil or regular oil on your pan, and followed by the tofu. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, so one thing that I like about tofu, it's that it's pretty low calories, even though the taste isn't, much unless you marinate it. It still provides you with sufficient nutrition. Like, I believe this one has about 40 grams of protein for that entire pound of tofu. So that's pretty good. So what you want to do now is just mix it up, move it a little bit. And then once it's golden brown, sort of like this, right there, you just want to flip it over and let it get brown on the other side. Or cook it however long you want. I don't know how you like your food cooked, but I like mine with a little bit of brownness on the side. So after I finish flipping all that, I'm gonna want to add some sort of sauce, some sort of spice, marinade, or whatever. So what I decided to do is just get a little bit of yeri teriyaki sauce. I'm shaking the bottle just to mix up the seeds. Now, one thing I don't like about this sauce is that it has just a bunch of seeds and it's pretty runny. So, the tofu doesn't get to absorb all of it unless I marinate it beforehand. But, I just toss it in a pan. And right there I have a little bit of Hosin Sauce just to give it a little more flavor. Hosin Sauce, that's like a really good sauce that I like. Good on egg rolls or whatever. But yeah, I'm just basically just rubbing it on it just like sun lotion, I don't know. Just like that, mixing up the pan. You can see the bubbles are beginning to bubble up. Yeah, that's a good word. But yeah, I'm just going to move it around the pan a little bit. And honestly, you don't want to fry this for too long because it's tofu after all. You can eat it raw. It doesn't have to be cooked that much. But, all depends how you like it. So honestly, I'm just moving it for a little bit, a few minutes. And that's about it, really. There's not much to this dish. It's pretty simple. All you need is your tofu and any sauce you want. In this case, I used a little bit of hoisin and some teriyaki sauce. Yeah, so after moving it a little more throughout the pan, smothering it and everything, that's about it. The dish is actually done. Beautiful. So, to plate this dish, I want to grab a little bit of spinach, wash it up, and put it on my tray over there, which I'm going to do in right about now. There you go. This is actually meal prepping right now. So you got your spinach at the bottom, followed by your tofu, teriyaki tofu. There's 6 pieces. Yeah, I used to eat this meal every single day. Until, Alright, and what you do with the juice, that's up to you. I just wanted to put it in my entire plate, to be honest, just to give it a little more flavor. Same thing with the seeds. And afterwards, you can just eat it like that, or you can grab some sort of other material. In this case, I grabbed, what is this, a tortilla? Something like a tortilla right now. It's a corn flour one. Sorry, a corn one, I mean. I'm just going to put it to the side, just like that, just to give myself a little bit more food. And that's about it. That's a nice little simple dish. Touch of Asian, touch of Hispanic, I don't know. But there's my tofu dish, and, hope you liked it. Have a good one.